Hello, great people. How are you? Narrator is here. Today we are going to learn how to make a simple decision support system using Excel. This one is in perspective of schools in South Africa, secondary schools in South Africa. Those who use SSAMs, this is going to help you. If you want to create your own, it's easy. You follow the tutorials, it's going to help you. Now, we are going to create something like this, but this is going to be the first video. There will be other videos. We will create something like this, a worksheet, where you are going to have the assignments, investigation, test, etc., the names of the learners and the marks that they have. Then the mark sheets, where you have a conversion. Assignment converted to 10%, investigation converted to whatever percentage you want to convert to. Then the analysis. The analysis, for instance, here, if you want the analysis for, let's say, assignments, you type 1 here. The analysis for an assignment will automatically generate. You have this one, you see that the level 7s, they are 38, level 5, they are 6, level 3, they are 3, etc. It will generate by itself. If I type 2, 2 is what? Investigation. If I type 2, you see that you have investigation here. The max is out of 75. This is the analysis that is generated, and the percentage will be also generated by itself. The total normal pass will be generated. If I type, let's say 3, which is term 1, 3, see that we have term 1 here, and this is the analysis that is generated. Then you also have the sums. You also learn how it's going to be generated on sums. Here, instead of you writing everything by hand, it will generate by itself, and you only have to print and give it to the clerks to type. So here, like term 2, you have the sums already generated, so you only have to print. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. Now what we are going to do is we are going to have this one created by ourselves. So the first thing is we are going to create this face, which is very good, which is the first thing we need to do. So first, let's create that face. How are you going to create that face? The first face is you pick your Excel form and you generate the face or the page, and that page is going to help us to generate the rest. So let's have the learner's name. Learner's names. Okay. Then we are going to have Okay, now we have the learner's name. Let me bring it down here. Okay, then let me just put a simple one. We have assignment. So I have my assignment. Let me just add another column. Let's say test. So you can create it the style that you want. So the learner's name, this is where you put the learner's. Let's say you have learner A. Nkosi Moses. Then let me add another name. Alfred Anson. Let's just use 2 names. Okay. You will change your life today and make you a new being. Change your situation. Brighten your career. His grace. I can bolden it. My God is powerful. My God is able. My God is powerful. My God is able. My God is able. He's able. The alignment, I want to make it this way. Okay, now let's just use this tool. You can make it more, you can add more, you can add more cells. For instance, I can type another one, let's say investigation. He will lift you up into the mountain top and you will be shining. Alright, and align it. Anything you touch will be prosperous. My God is able. Bold it. Alright. I can add more learner. Let's say James. To assist you. My God is able. Okay. So this side is going to be the max. So let me include max here. So I'm going to insert. I've inserted a cell. Okay, so here, let's put max here. So this is going to be the max. Now, you see that I've done this one at cell or sheet 1. I can rename the sheet as type. So this is where you will be typing. Then I'm going to create another sheet. I'm going to use another sheet, this sheet 2 for a new page where I'm going to have my worksheet. So you only type at this side. This side, this is where you are going to read whatever information you want and make your decision. So on this sheet, I'm going to make similar one. So let me just copy this. And paste it here. Now this time I'm going to add. I'm going to insert something here. Here I'm going to call it conversion. So let me shorten it, convert. So what am I going to convert it to? I'm going to convert it to 10. I can convert it to whatever number that I want. I can convert it to 100, I can convert it to 20, whatever number that I want. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Let me insert and copy this. I can convert this one to 20 and this one also. I can convert this one to, okay, so this is 30, so let me convert this one to 40. Let me make it 30, it's fine. Okay, now I have these names. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link the information here in type to sheet 2. But before that, let me rename sheet 2 to mark sheet.
He will lift you up into the mountain top, and you will be shining. Anything you touch will be prosperous.
Okay.
My God is able.
Now sheet 2 is going to be converted. I'm going to link the information from sheet or type to mark sheet. So you see that these are 2 pages. This is page and this is also another page. I'm going to link the 2 together. So the information we have in type will be transferred to mark sheet and it will be converted to 10%, to 10 and 20 and 30. Alright, 10 for assignment, 20 for test, and 30 for investigation. So first, let me put the total marks here. So I'm going to insert